The first operator we'll talk about is called AND. An AND statement is true if every part of the statement is true. So previously we used the example of going to get grapes out of the fridge and finding that there weren't any there. So you added them to your shopping list. So now imagine you're at the store. You buy grapes if they're on your shopping list and if they're in stock at the store. You might notice that these can actually be phrased in terms of relational operators. We're looking at whether or not grapes are in our shopping list, and we're looking at whether or not grapes are in the list of items that the store has in stock. So two applications of that relational operator. We can use a variable called onList to represent knowledge of whether or not grapes are on our shopping list, and a variable called inStock to represent knowledge of whether or not grapes are in stock at the store. We buy grapes if and only if both those things are true, only if they're on our list and in stock. If they're not on our list, then onList would be false, and the entire statement would be false. If they're not in stock, then in stock would be false, and the entire statement would again be false. If they're both false, then it's certainly not true that they're both on our list and in stock, so the entire statement would still be false. It's only true if they're both on our list and in stock at the store.